In this video I'm going to show you how can we use Node in our code, generative art Node main. Simply you can see here some commands we need to run using of Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here we have two files. One is config.js, you can see here, and second is index.js. So don't be confused after seeing the code, and be confident. I will show you every step and you will easily create thousands of NFT using of this source code. So don't be confused, it is easy. Okay, so what we need to do now, simple, you can see here option terminal. Let's click on the terminal and click new terminal. Okay, and in this terminal you can see here there is no folder of Node. Okay, if you will get any Node folder, then it means you have already installed Node in your code. Okay, I have already deleted the Node folder from here for showing to you. So that's why if you saw previous video, you will see the folder which named was Node. So I already deleted it because I want to show you how can we install Node folder in our code. So simply you can see here npm install. In previous video we already installed node.js. Okay, so don't be confused. Simple, we need to add Node folder in our source code, so that's why we are using this command. So copy this and we can easily type here npm here npm install. Okay, enter, press enter from your keyboard. Now you can see here a new folder is appear, Node modules. Okay, so in this folder all the node.js dependencies is installed. Okay, now the second is, you can see here copy, we can copy and let paste here, enter. So it is also installing in our source code, in our library, or we can say so the process is completed. Now you can see here it's showing us lots of messages to address issue that do not require attention, run npm audit fix. Okay, npm audit fix force and npm audit. So we will try if we face the problem from the next video. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask me the question. Okay, so see you in next video.